Here's problem 15. It says using the formula C equals 5/9 times the difference of F minus 32. If the Celsius temperature increased by 35, how many degrees would the Fahrenheit temperature be increased? Well, this can get a little tricky for people. The key is we're going to mess with this C. You can't just go in and add 32. I mean, you can, but here's what, I'm just going to rearrange this formula first because we want to know what's going to happen to the Fahrenheit. If I rearrange this, the way I get rid of 5/9 is I multiply this side by 9/5, it would clear out. So you end up 9/5 times the C equals, that would clear all out, F minus 32. Now if I move the 32 over, so it's 9/5 C plus 32 is equal to F. All I did is I added 32 here, added 32 on this side. And this is my equation for Fahrenheit. Now it's saying, hey, how's this guy going to change if we come in and make this C increase by 35? So if I do that, that'd be 9/5. I'm taking the C and I'm increasing it by 35. Then plus 32 equals Fahrenheit. So what's the end result when we add 35 to that Celsius? How do things change? Well, we end up with 9/5 C plus when we multiply this, you're going to get 763 because it's 35 over 1. I just canceled that and that made him a 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus the 32 equals F. Now at this point you should be able to see our equation was 9/5 C plus 32. Here's the 9/5 C plus 32 equals F. How much did it go up by? 63 degrees. It actually went up 63 degrees. Choice D. Now think about it. You and I all know, we all know that 0 degrees Celsius is the same as 32 degrees Fahrenheit, right? Well, let's do this. If all of a sudden we increase that, if by, what does it say, 35, if I add 35 to that, change it to 35 Celsius, what's the new temperature going to be? Well, you know what? Let's do a little Ask Google. How about that? Here we go on the phone. Okay, Google. 35 degrees Celsius equals how many degrees Fahrenheit? Let's see what she says.
35 degrees Celsius is 95 degrees Fahrenheit.
Well, notice what would happen if you and I, we said it went up 63. If we add 63 to that 32, what do you get? You get 95. We're correct. It goes up by 63 degrees. So if you add 35 degrees Celsius to a temperature, it's making it go up 63 degrees Fahrenheit.